In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to insert a text box here in Canva. Now to add text, all we have to do is come over here to the left hand side where we see this T. Then we can choose between add heading, subheading and a little bit of body. Now what we can also do is use the shortcut on the keyboard, which is T. So if we click on there, it's then going to add text to our canvas. Now technically, this is your text box, just like that. But if you want to insert text inside a box, we're going to do things a little bit differently. So what we're going to do is just delete this, then we're going to come up to Elements, and we're going to come to Shapes just here. If we click on here, we can choose any one of these, and we can do this with the shape to make a box, and then if we double click on this box, we can then add text. So let's just put your text like this. We can also make this text larger as well. Let's go with 100 like that. Then we can also play around with the color. Let's change that to white, and we can also add a border on this text box as well by clicking on the border style, choosing the border that we want, increasing that border weight as well, and then choosing the color that we want. But that's how you can easily insert a text box here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.